I got my Unique makeup kit today. This is a starter kit. I ordered it on November 1st. It didn't take very long to get here. I picked it up today in the mail. So I haven't opened it. I'm opening it right now for you all.
Introducing the new Main and Mason collection at your Ashley Home Store. A fresh take on farmhouse.
I had a party, but I was my only customer, so I decided to buy the kit for myself.
For limited time, save up to 40%
Oh wow.
off Main and Mason furniture.
There's a nice big purple box. Nothing else in there.
Celebrate life's moments with your
A welcome kit. A welcome to beautiful possibilities, it
40%
says.
off the all-new Main
It's
and
pretty.
Mason collection. Exclusively at Ashley Home Store. This is home.
Oh, look at the bag.
Looking for the perfect vacation this winter? Right now at
That's
redtag.ca,
nice.
we have thousands of vacations on
I
sale.
don't want to get my fingerprints on it.
50% off last minute deals to the Caribbean, Mexico.
Okay, so I don't know what's in this kit, but it's got a nice bag for it. I can carry everything in there.
Plan your perfect
Some bubble wrap.
redtag.ca or call 1-866-5-REDTAG.
So everything's all packaged inside the bag here. All sorts of makeup and paper stuff. So I'll take out the makeup stuff first. You can take a look at that all. 1, 2. See what kind of items here. 2 items, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items so far.
It's time to get that
And then the rest are books. This bag comes with a handle. And there's a personalized Unique on there. I've never had this makeup before, so it's all new to me too. Are you recording me? Okay, so far this is everything in the bag. A big welcome kit
To a job interview.
for a new presenter kit.
She pulled over, remembered she had the tire cracked up, and quickly
Welcome
found
to
the nearest tire
Unique.
craft location.
A letter
Fixed the
from
waffle and got her to the
Corporate
interview
or
with
something
courtesy
like
shuttle.
that.
Tire craft, real people
And
servicing
then
real
some
life.
samples,
Until December
perfume
21st,
samples.
get a $70
I'd love to
mailing
try
rebate
those.
on
Maybe
a
somebody
set
else would like to.
Excise, XI3 tires,
Detoxify
or
and
other qualifying
mask.
models. Terms and conditions apply.
Not sure what kind it is. It looks like a sample.
Is it a reboot or a
I
spin-off?
need a knife. Where did I put my
It's
knife?
the series everyone's talking about. Highly anticipated. Can't wait. Gotta see.
I don't want to wreck the whole package right away. Might have to use the mask right away.
Back to the 70s with
Oh yeah, it's a sample. So it looks like a black clay mask or somewhat. And another one, oil control mask. It's green.
30. Streaming Tuesday on
It's
CTV.
another sample. Lots of samples here. An exfoliating mask. So, yeah, they're all different masks. 1, 2, 3 masks. And here's another one. Another sample, Touch Mineral Liquid Foundation and Touch Glorious Face Primer. I'm sure there's samples in here. Let's check it out. I'd like to surprise myself. Wow, look at all those samples. I mean, I'm not going to be able to use those all myself. I'm sure there's other people who can use those colors. There's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 face primers along with that, and 5 rows of foundation samples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 samples of foundation. So I won't be using those all. I'm sure I'll be giving those away to any people that are interested, or some customers or something like that. Here's another book here, welcome book, and it's explaining, as I said it myself, the journey. So the Unique Presenter journey. I just saw that. I must have just guessed it right. So here's the progress chart. I'm a white badge status right now in Unique. So I'm a starter and a beginner. I'll progress my way. I'll be yellow next and pink and so on until I reach black status. That's probably the highest you can go. But that would be really great to reach that goal. So I'll look at that later. And then here's another book, Host a Unique Virtual Party. It's telling me about maybe getting customers, getting them to host a party. And then I'll probably read this book and learn how, or unless it is the catalog. Actually, it is the catalog, so I'm sure there's more info in the book on hosting a party. So it looks like a really interesting catalog. There's unique people. And the index. Yeah, this is a catalog, so there is a lot to see here. I'll probably order more when I get the chance to. So there is a lot here that Younique has to offer. It's just not mascara. So I can't wait to get more. Now let's see what kind of makeup and other items I have here. Where shall I start? Is anybody talking? Has anybody asked any questions? Or is anybody watching? Has anybody asked anything? No? Who's watching?
Eddie, Malcolm, Alex, all guys.
All the guys are watching me? Alright. Okay, so Younique is known for their mascara. Right now I'm holding the Moonstruck Epic Mascara. I have never ever tried Younique before, so this is all going to be very new to me. Today I will not be putting makeup on. I'm just showing the starter kit that my boyfriend got for me. So then this way I can start the business and hopefully I can get some customers. But I like buying makeup and I like using it, so it's just not for business anyways. I can sell for myself, you know, I like makeup. So Moonstruck Epic Mascara, black, and it's waterproof. So I'm sure that is really nice. It's newly open here, so it's really black, but I'm sure we'll show more of that when I do a live show on putting makeup on. So that's Epic Mascara. Let's see what else we have here. Moonstruck Lash Serum. I'm sure this is worn with the Epic Mascara. This one is lipstick. This is another mascara. So 3 mascaras. Moonstruck Precision Lip Liner. And Lip Plumper. Huddy Lip Plumper. And then another Precision Eyeliner Pencil. Also, Moonstruck Eye Primer that will help be the base of the makeup that you're putting on. You put this on all before other makeup. And so let's show the lip stuff here. This one is a lip liner. I'm not sure which color it is. It says Pouty. So the pouty color there. It's kind of a dark red or mahogany-ish. Such a small box. Some people have teeny fingers. You can open this, not me. Alright. Yeah, that's kind of nice. I have that color over there and my other makeup kit over there. But this is all Younique makeup products, so it's nice to stick with one product, right? So, yeah, that's going to be a nice color to use. So, that's Pouty. I'll put that there since I opened it. And this is Huddy Moonstruck Lip Plumper. Let's check that out. Oh, wow. Okay, that kind of looks like a lip gloss. Is that the color too with it? Yeah, I'm sure it's a plumper and a color. Let's open that. Oh, it's like a gloss. Okay. That's nice. I can't wait to try that. I don't have a camera that
It's like hash oil.
Huh?
It's like hash oil.
Don't say. Oh yeah, it's legal anyways. Okay. Now this is the Precision Eyeliner. I don't know if it's a pencil or Okay, yeah, it's a pencil. They do have the liquid ones. Okay, that's a liner. And this is the eye primer. Okay, this is probably a clear liquid. It's like a little foundation for the foundation, so it sticks better and doesn't come off. But yeah, that's more like a concealer type color, so that's nice. Alright, let's see what else do we have here. Okay, these are the mascaras. I already showed two of them, or one of them. Yeah, okay, here's a lash serum. I should have showed that with the mascara. Okay. Mood Struck Esteem Lash Serum. Oh, okay. It's like, I've never used that before. I think it's a clear, kind of like a base as well. Like a primer, probably. I've already opened this. No? This is another one. Okay. I have no nails. Here we go. I don't know how many mascaras here. Oh, I did open it. I thought I opened that already. Oh yeah, I got two of them. So that one is what color? Serum, mascara, and mascara. Oh, okay. One looks purple, I think. Okay, there's no color block on there, but one's purple, I think. Black. Serum. And this is just black, two blacks. I mean, okay, let's see. Can I open them all? Alright, now, this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm sure I have multiple colors inside here. A nice box to keep it safe. Thick, just in case, you know, I mean, if somebody drops it, it won't break so easily. Magnetic, so that's nice. It'll stay shut. So, Mood Struck Addiction Shadow Palette 2. So, I'm sure they've had other ones. This is number 2. It's got a nice mirror in there. This first color here is called Hopeless. I know people do like to test their makeup on their skin, you know, but these are very light colors. So, and this one's a romantic. You see my skin is kind of dark, so you can't see it on there. And this is Honorable. And then this one looks really nice. It's called Blissful. Oh yeah, that looks very glittery or shiny. I would love to use that one. Okay, and then this one here is called Cocky. And that's a darker one. I think that one can be used for like the corners of the eye. The lighter ones I like to use on the inner eye. So those ones over here, I'd probably use that for that. And this one on the edge. So, and this one's called Perplex. So yeah, those are nice and dark. Those show up really nice. I like that Perplex and Blissful. Peppy. This last one is Peppy. It looks like a dark gray black. So let's try that out. So yeah, that is nice and dark. So those are the colors there in this palette. that are on my wrist. Those are really nice. Those are the colors I actually like to use. So that's great. I love it. And it's very thick too, so there must be a lot of product in there. Okay, and let's see what this is. Unique Royalty Exfoliating Mask. I love lotions, I love exfoliating stuff. I love anything to do with, you know, like beauty products and stuff like that. Okay, yeah, exfoliating mask. So by the Royalty, what you call it? That's, yeah, it looks like it's got little granules in there. I've got makeup on my hands, so I don't want to get it in there, but it doesn't look too rough, and it looks creamy. So that would be good to help remove, clean your face in the evening. And I got one more little thing to open here, I think. Let's see what it is. Splurge Cream Eyeshadow. So that's gonna be probably a lighter color, I hope. That would be nice. So it's probably a cream base. Yeah, okay, here we go. That looks nice, like the white one I like to use. Oh wow, that's a nice red brown. That's beautiful. So let's see, let's check that out. Oh, they don't need to touch that too much to get some. Yeah, oh, that looks like Tumeth color or red rock, right? So that's beautiful, kind of like lava color. Wow. Okay, I think that's everything in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different makeup items. 8 actually. So 10 items. Get this knife out of here. Let's put it all here, and you can see what. And you all can see what I got.
It's me, Mel.
Okay.
And she's paying me too.
So we can see everything together here. Where's that? I need a table and I need somewhere permanent to show you all all my makeup stuff. Okay, so I should get one of those little desks for our TV tables. Okay, we don't need these boxes. Okay, this is a unique starter kit all together.
Mel, ask if you're going to be selling this now.
Yeah, I'm actually a new presenter. I ordered this kit on November 1st. I just received this kit in the mail today and it didn't take very long, so I'm very happy. I needed new makeup, so here it is. And this, all this stuff here with samples and everything, and all these items here were $99 or something like that. I believe the total was $130 and everything, including shipping and handling and taxes and stuff like that. So yeah, I think there's 10 makeup items here, and then all these samples, and I'm not going to need them all, and then a catalog. So here it is, everybody, my starter kit, and I think it was worth it, so I can't wait to try it. We'll know more if it was worth it, but it looks like it was worth it. I really like how the makeup feels just from swatching them like that.
Mel's going to buy off you now.
Yeah? So, and my next live...
Double the price.
My next live I'll possibly be doing is probably trying the makeup, maybe later tonight, maybe tomorrow. I just thought I would do this live right now to show everybody my starter kit. So thanks everybody for coming to watch me open it, and I can't wait to try it. Thank you everybody. Bye.
Next one she does, she'll be nude.